Alright, what's up guys? So, it's been a long time since I did a toy unboxing, but today we're unboxing the Beyblade Burst Pro Series Union Achilles. So yeah, let's get started. So it comes with a normal plain white launcher from Spider-Man Takira. It's Pro Series. First ever Pro Series Bay. I kinda like open the box, but diecast parts, 11 attack off the charts, and off the charts weight for 12. So it has, this is probably one of the best basic release so far. I recommend you to get it. A lot of people do. And yeah, it's in stores right now. If you live in the US, Target, Walmart, Canada, Walmart, because Toys R Us does not, like, they don't really sell the newest Beyblades for some reason. But Walmart does. So yeah, I'm using a tripod. Not the best at doing this, but we have for the driver, we have a PR02 free mode tips, free mode tip or free tip modes. Pretty cool. It's just Extend Plus, I'm pretty sure. It's PR02, and for this one is two forged disc modes, T77-P. I had no idea what's the name for this. I'm old on Beyblade still. This is removable Union sword for Union Achilles. They have this option, which is good. The red 2-weight and Achilles right spins balance type. So yeah, and also if you're wondering why they always release GT base, never go to Surge when sparking, reason is because if you know, you know, GT, aka Hypersphere, well, they completely destroyed the line. Here, I'll give you an example right here. I'll grab a bag. And it's like Prime Apocalypse. This is a Hasbro Bay from Rise series. This thing's, dude, it's just a piece of garbage. In like the Hypersphere system though, this thing's actually good. They destroyed this by cutting holes. I don't know why they had to do that, but it's for this. No infinite locks. So that's that. At least it comes with a 0, but they always have their own custom drivers, and this is to reboot Hypersphere. Yeah, this thing is terrible. And they also, because all of their tips are whole flats, they don't have the gimmick. This system they invented is just still bad. Yeah. Even though I bought some because they were cheap, this is terrible system. They kind of fell off from I meant from Turbo with the no metal stuff. Guess they cheaped out. Anyways, also, if you were wondering, this thing actually looks like a GT box, not gonna lie. But it's a lot more cooler than that white plain GT box. Hasbro, Union Achilles, skin unboxing. So, from the side, this is the first time I'm unboxing a Pro Series Bay. Got this off Amazon, which is Prime Day, just ended. In Canada, I think the US too. Nothing else in the box. Very cool box design, gotta say. Hasbro, they always make the best stadiums in the world, and also they always make absolutely amazing boxes, but they just cannot find a way to make good Beyblades for their main series, main line. Like Pro Series is good. Obviously, first thing first, we have the ripcord. Very bent. It's not straight, which is not ideal, but I guess it works. Open the box. Okay, we have Extend Plus right here. Obviously, this Extend Plus, I think you guys all know what Extend Plus is. It's just Extend with this little plate thing on top, which I don't think I can remove, but here's attack type, big hole flat, defense type right here, focus camera. There it is. Just normal, kind of ish. Guess it's, wait a minute, this isn't, never mind, this is defense type. It's kind of a hole flat, just a little bit of a tip, but it's also a little bit hole, it's a little hole flat, but not really. And stamina mode, which is just a little thing. This little pointy part. Focus camera. It's not focusing on the driver for some reason, but there it is. Yeah. Not really it's not really that rare. Here's the Extend Plus. It's white. It's not really tight, but it's alright. Obviously, I mean, if they give an Extend Dash, extend plus dash, that would be a lot better. But obviously, you know, this isn't really extend plus. It's not dash, okay? Just not dash driver. Anyways, here's a launcher. Regular old white launcher. Light launchers, cool stuff. Pretty common now, and people call this trash, so I do collect these because they're pretty good. They're actually not that bad because they never release string launchers for Pro Series, so it's not that bad. Try and put this in while watching recording. Not working out for me, but it's not really. I just got to turn this way, make it straighter. There you go, a lot better. Just gotta, you know, bend it a little bit, make it a lot better. There you go. Now things a lot straighter. And anyways, it's a force disc. I forgot the name of this thing, sadly, but it's CN something. Yeah, Miracle Force disc. It's just a balanced up force disc. So this is obviously in attack mode right now, heavy hitting, and after if you want, I have no idea how you do this, but it's like something like pull this to the I'm gonna just pull this down, and after I guess you can twist it, something like that. Let me just do this off camera. 1 sec. There's also metal inside this little frame thing that includes, which is cool. To be honest, one of the coolest this Hasbro has released. Or Takara told me to, but I mean, the 1D or 2D chassis is even cooler with that defense rubber thing. How do you change this whole entire move tip thing? I had no idea. Oh, not checking instructions. Do it in a sec. Anyways, refocus camera. Okay. And this wax paper, Union Achilles is wax paper, right? Union Achilles, here it is. Amazing bay. This bay is one of the best looking bays. I have a feeling this looks better than Infinite Achilles. Dead Achilles though, it looks cool, but Intro Z, but this is a lot better. Wax paper. This is totally wax paper, guys. Don't believe the YouTubers that clickbait you into saying wax paper. Just regular white plain paper. It's not made of wax, but it's actually surprisingly loose. Oh, this is real, you can tell. About the screws. After this pushes out, go. Here's the Retsu weight. Retsu. Attack mode, more heavy. And after there's also a Union sword that's detachable. Cool Union sword. There's without the Union sword, but obviously Union sword, just put it on most of the time because it's just better. Obviously right here we have the Achilles DT chip. But yeah, and if you want a barcode, we'll clean this up. Barcode is, oh yeah, here's the sticker pack. I'm not gonna put on a sticker right now, but I'm gonna put it on in the future. Here is the barcode for you guys for the app. Go enjoy. So first of all, I gotta check, how do you change the force disc mode thing? So let's see. Alright, sorry. Little brother crying, I think you guys know. Anyways, my mom's yelling at me. But, I just gotta do a review quicker. Once you do this, you kind of just pull this up, and after, a little hard, but just twist this around, you can see. It's not really the easiest thing to do in your life, but not bad. Let's do this quickly. Demo. I'll return it a little bit, I think. Yeah, I did. A little hard to turn sometimes, but balanced up. So yeah, what's my thing? There it is. So it actually has some stats for you without Union sword. So without Union sword, right here, it's 3 less in attack, which is okay. About 1 less for weight, but 2 more for agility and stamina, but 0 for burst. So with Union Sword, still honestly better. You have 0 burst, so meaning that you can't really burst phase. Obviously, that's pretty exaggerating. These instruction things, don't listen to them. They're kind of just scams. Never tell you the truth because yeah, I don't think they do enough tests to actually do it to realize that. Nevertheless, this is very good bait. We're going to use the balance side today. So yeah, we're gonna use stamina. Not the best teeth though. It has kind of bad teeth. I'm not gonna lie. I'm expecting better, but I mean, it's such a good bay, right? Can't complain. But look at our Pro Series stadium in here. If you guys can see that. So let's do a quick launch. 3, 2, 1, go! Stamina. Not bad. So honestly, actually pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna just make this record almost straight. There we go. Of course, straight now. I'm gonna make it a launch, but not exactly. But yeah, you can see that's really how you do it. It's not that bad. It's pretty good. Good Beyblade. Can't lie. There we go. A lot better now. Still a little bent, but it's alright. Let's do defense type, which has a little bit of a pointy end, but it's mostly whole flat, so and scrapes itself. Not the best, but it's alright. And attack mode is probably just scraping. Just scraping, man. Just scraping. Whole flat. Heavy bay, by the way. You can see it's pretty, fast in a way. Not really. But I mean, I can try and use this quad drive launcher. Let's see how powerful this quad drive launcher is with this bay. Review coming out for the Cyclone Fury set. Alright. Not powerful. Not the powerfulest bay, but not the worst. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna grab my other 2 launchers here. There we go. These are my other 2 that came with this set. And we're gonna do some test battles real quick. So we're gonna do stamina type, attack type, and all that stuff. I am not gonna use Slash Valkyrie because this extreme tip is too extreme. So I'm just gonna use Fafnir most of the time. So yeah, Fafnir, obviously, wizard, cool bay. So let's launch it in. 2, 1. Ah! Why do I always hit my camera? I mean my phone. Annoying. Yeah, pretty much. Attack mode first, I guess. Oh shit. Alright, got some technical difficulties, but we are back in business, boys. So, I'm pretty sure you guys saw, but Fafnir, in fact, got knocked out, which proves this guy is strong. No clicks at all. Fafnir, no clicks either. Let's do this again, because why not? Let's put this in. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm just gonna launch this really quickly. I mean, Fafnir has more stamina, so like, it's fair, right? 3, 2, 1, go. It's a whole flat. Attack mode. Oh god, it's not gonna look good. Oh, that's sad. Never mind, a tie. I'm not surprised it equalized. So let's try now on Extend Plus. Let's go for let's go for defense. This defense is gonna act similar, but we're gonna see how similar it is or how different it is. No clicks for both of them, which is good. So yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Defense. Defense is actually kind of chill, surprisingly. There we go. That comes in now. Reboot. It's like chill, but not chill because you know that little point. But then sometimes you might get a whole flat feeling. And oh, was not paying attention. Calm down, hold on. I was not paying attention, but let's do another round with defense. So Achilles is strong. I think you all know that Achilles is super strong. Oh my god, that was not enough. Oh my, what the? Yo! Achilles took 2 clicks. He bursted. He bursted Fafnir. Wow. Wow. Hey, yo, this base actually OP. Alright, good purchase. So, yeah, I think you guys know who to buy now, huh? Don't buy this. This is not worth it. Not worth your money. Go buy, like, this. This thing. Yeah, Achilles good. And let's try and use Stamina type, and let's use Valkyrie, because why not? Why not? We haven't used him. Even though I said I'm not gonna use him, you know what? I'm using him. I changed my mind, but we're using Valkyrie. So let's go. I'm just gonna use the string launcher, guess why not? So Achilles in action, which will go. In action, knockout finish. Or over finish, out finish, I don't know. Let's go again. I don't think that's fair. I'm not launched on Achilles, but somehow Achilles survived that with only 1 click. I mean like 1 click taken. Extreme dash. Oh my god. This Achilles is just too strong for anyone. Like 1 click from extreme dash. Wow. It's only 1 click by the way because that's a different like things 1, 2. So like it's kind of like Prominence Valkyrie to be honest. The 2 click and after burst. It's not like this guy will take 2 clicks. Let's go again. Let's do this launcher. Didn't go for a rush launch, I went for the round thing. Whatever you call that thing. Well, Kyo's probably gonna win this. Probably. Never mind, you actually lost. Wow. That's so much stamina. How do you lose so much stamina? Well, anyways, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.